not the checkbox group, right? I think that's a big differentiator. We're not going and using a off-the-shelf methodology and just checking the box to make sure that it's done, right? We're really looking at the processes within your organization and the troubleshooting that might be needed in order to make sure we're supporting the organization in the best way possible. We've done this over and over again. So we've got some tried and true methods that we use all the way, not only from just communications and training, but we're really looking at education, right? The process is going to change. All of our consultants are business process experts. That's a huge differentiator for us. We're really going to look at your business processes, dive into how they're changing, what's changing about them, how the data changes, how the reporting structure might change, how your organization design might need to change, and then educating the organization on that change before we ever get to hands-on system training, right? Because that's always going to come at the end. It's doing things like that are a huge differentiator between a successful program and one that just, you may implement it, but it might not be sustainable at the end of the day.